Okay, here we are in the barn. We've decided we're gonna let Dale keep working here. Look at this. This is a rare supervisor mom.
Just
watching over, making sure we're making some progress here.
I think she likes to be called the Overlord.
She's in a good mood because we may or may not be willing to sell some 60 Corvette parts. What do you think, Mom? See? She acts like she's tough and she wants us to sell some things, but she doesn't really. All right, it's Monday here in Barker's barn, and we've got the front end pretty much done. I've got some shocks that are getting ready to go in. Hopefully we'll do that today. But we got the calipers and the rotors on and all the bars for the steering, and we are rocking and rolling. I did some movement here. So we got the 67 in the main room. I got the Camino back there. And the frame is looking good. The rear springs are this orange color. These are really cool. These are Dad's original shocks. I'm just getting ready to dig through some parts to look for the type of bolt that I need to attach this to the rear end. But it is very exciting. We did get the housing bolted in, but I'm going to use all the wrong words here because I don't know. I actually thought this was all really interesting last night. Some of Dad's friends were down here and were explaining that, you know, he had this change to a 4-link rear end, I guess, and I did not know that this bar was not here before. He's had it reinforced, and that these two trailing arms were added. I've got the rear end that needs to go in, but I'd like to get the shocks in first. So maybe we can get, if I can find the bolts today, then we can get the rear end put inside the housing and the shocks on, and think about starting to run some brake lines. I've got the brake lines all over here. Here we go. This is very exciting. I did put disc brakes all around, maybe a little controversial, but I really am just trying to follow what my dad did, and he switched basically every car he owned over to disc brakes if he got around to it. He put them all around. I was very worried about putting drum brakes with a high performance engine like this, so I figured if I was going to do it, now is the time. The wheels, I'm still trying to learn as much as I can about the wheels, so for now, I'm not going to put them on, and I'm going to figure out the right person to use and to teach me about them. So if you know anything about these wheels, I'd love to pick your brain. I've got these random wheels that I'm going to use just to make it a roller. But all of this is honestly so exciting. We could be there Fred Flintstone style in 4 hours. Look at that. Oh, yeah. All the front steering's in.
Well, you might as well show them the whole thing.
Look at this.
Where's my note? Go to this side.
Here we go. We're having a real meeting of the minds back here. Oh, here we go. Dale's showing off. Dale's showing off. Here we go. We are one step closer, ladies. Look at this moment. Look at Dad watching. Everyone's here. Look at that yellow backing plate. Here we go. Watch this. Oh, yeah. Sure looks good, Dale. What do you think? Should we keep Dale employed?